what's the Spain Digital Nomad Visa. So it's a residence permit that's designed for people like virtual assistants, freelancers, you know, just like us, or like I guess like me. So it allows non-EU citizens to live legally in Spain while working for companies or clients na dapat outside of Spain. So technically, you can have a client in Spain, just it needs to be yung total income mo, yung 20% nun, hindi dapat mag-go over that threshold. So if you do have a client in Spain, dapat yung income coming from that client is just below or exactly 20% of your total declared income. But ayun, definitely I think a lot of people kind of already knew that, or I guess research a little bit more about that. So ayun, so it's for people na freelancer, virtual assistant, remote employees, I would say. Though it would still depend on your contract. And then of course, it would depend kung saan ka mag-a-apply, yung validity of this residence permit. But definitely you can get a permit for up to 3 years if you apply directly in Spain. Or of course, if mag-apply ka sa consulate, you know, in Manila or whatever consulate you're gonna apply for, you get a 1-year visa, and then that's totally I wouldn't say renewable, because technically there are it's an authorization residence permit here in Spain, and then that is in the consulate, it's just a visa. So totally pwede ka mag-reapply kaagad to that authorized residence permit as soon as you get here in Spain. You know, you can even apply with the same documents. So ayun. And then of course, the big goal is just, especially for Filipinos, it can be a pathway for Spanish citizenship. So just because we're a colony from Spain before, so so we have repatriation, we can get for Filipinos, we can get the citizenship after 2 years of legal residence. So definitely it's a very good pathway, especially for people na hitting a roadblock with their permanent residency on other countries then, because I know there are a lot of changing rules, you know, inside the EU or even like Canada, ganon. So